Failure on YouTube is not missing the mark on a few videos. It is never making the videos to begin with, because in order to be successful, you have to be an expert failure. Take, for example, LeBron James and Kobe Bryant, two of the most successful basketball players of all time, and they are ranked first and second in the most missed shots. And that reality carries over to YouTube, where 88% of all the videos uploaded have less than 1,000 views. For most creators, the majority of their videos don't blow up. Or even take a look at my channel, where I have posted 1,155 videos across 3 channels. And out of all those videos, only 48 have hit above 200,000 views. That's only 4%. And most of those came after tons of trial and error and learning. And with all that failure, I've gained hundreds of thousands of subscribers, over 43 million views, and have grossed 6 figures over the last few years. YouTube is literally a game of how many times you can get punched in the face and keep going. But with all that being said, there are 2 important questions that you do need to ask yourself so that way you don't get stuck in a trap. Now, the first question is, am I getting better? You should be able to look at your videos from 6 months ago to 12 months ago and cringe because you have gotten better. You're better on camera. You're better with video editing. You're better at making your videos look professional. You're making good intros that encourage people to stay watching the video. You're getting better at thumbnail design. You're actually spending time researching your video ideas and coming up with things that you think viewers are actually going to want to watch. And if you look back at your videos from 6 to 12 months ago and they look like the exact same videos you're making today, then you're not improving. You're not getting better. You're just doing the exact same thing, hoping that somehow you're going to end up with more views. But the only way you're going to do that is by getting better at the craft. There's a lot of skills that come with YouTube, with learning how to research ideas, learning how to make really persuasive titles that get people to click, how to make good thumbnails that actually cause someone to click and look professional, how to make a good hook that gets people to watch your video, how to edit the video so it's engaging, how to optimize the video. Like, there's all these different things you have to do. And most people who hop into YouTube don't have this whole skill set that they can instantly use. So just make sure you are making progress and you are improving and learning and developing your skill set. And the second question you need to ask yourself is, am I experimenting? As I do YouTube consult calls with people, I actually had someone reach out to have me look at one of their friends' channels. And so I went and took a look, and they had over 1,000 uploaded videos, yet had not hit 1,000 subscribers. And so I was like, what the heck's going on here? So I go and I look at the channel, and they're just uploading the exact same type of video over and over and over again. No different formats, no different styles, no changing up the background or changing up the format. They just kept doing the exact same video over and over again and expected different results. Expected, oh, eventually one of these videos has to take off. And I see that way too often is people not trying different things, trying different ideas, trying different formats and ways to present the information or present an entertaining idea, or even just emulating another successful format that someone did in your niche. Like, the worst thing you can do is just do the same thing over and over again and be unhappy with the results. So make sure you're actually trying different things. There's actually variations out there, because eventually something will click. As you try different things, something will start to get more views than your other videos. And that's a sign, hey, viewers really like this video. They really liked how you presented this information, this format. That's something you should repeat. And as long as you're improving your skill set and you're trying different things and testing the waters and seeing what works and what doesn't work, you'll eventually hit that spot where you start getting views on your videos. So you're not a failure. Keep making videos. Keep improving your skills. And if you want to learn what I've learned about YouTube, I do have a YouTube consult call button linked in the description. Or if you join my YouTube membership, I actually have some YouTube courses in there that can help you learn more about YouTube. Both of those you can find down below this video.